Okay, what do we have today?
I'm here to settle a debate that has gone on for too long. The one piece is the best. If you need a sealed electrical connection, you shouldn't be wasting time with assembling seals and connectors. You should be using the Molex MLXT sealed connector system, which provides greater reliability without costly redesigns. MLXT sealed connectors are a one-piece solution with a covalently interlocked interfacial seal on the plug that provides IP68 and IP69K sealing. It also meets the specifications of SAE J2030. The rear seal is covered and made from high-consistency rubber. This prevents tearing and allows for an extremely tight bend radius without damaging the seal. In terms of terminals, Molex offers both stamped and formed terminals for production, and a machine solid pin for service and repair. The locking latch and color coding make for fast and easy mating and unmating, with 2-circuit to 18-circuit connectors available.